Hey guys! Gawa tayo ng healthy snack. So, I got here full fat milk. Yan. And I have banana and berries. So, yan ang mga pagkain for gallbladder. They like high fat. And this is banana is potassium. And actually, meron na siyang 4 teaspoon of sugar. So, no need anything. Okay? And the berries is antioxidant. So, let's do it. Then, blend. And this is my snack for the day. So that, kasi I feel my body nag-uumad na ako. Hindi ako nagugutom sa gabi after I eat my 3 p.m. brunch with high protein and high fat. Kasi wala naman po akong maintenance. So, I'm 46 years old. So, I lose weight, I delay my aging, I don't have pimples, I not lose my hair. So, ito po yung mga pagkain ko. A lots of, protein, 75 grams a day, like half kilo meat a day. So, if you are more than taller, you need more protein. So, to get your amino acid to activate the ketones of the body for fat adaptation, for healing mode, burning mode, even your sleeping are your burning mode. So, yun ang mga gusto natin. So, add more exercise and 7 to 8 hours is sleep. And yung routine nyo for eating habits para mag-low yung inflammation nyo, ma-delay po lahat ng mga disease, and you look young, and manifest po and listen to your body. Have a nice day! Bye guys! Pasok na po ako!